Experiencing lag spikes in EAFC25 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Freeing up resources can help improve performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in EAFC25 to reduce the load on your system. This can include lowering resolution, turning off anti-aliasing, and reducing texture quality. Adjusting these settings can help minimize lag. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your network adapter and download the latest drivers to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and prioritize gaming traffic by enabling quality of service QoS settings. This can help reduce lag by ensuring that your gaming console or PC gets the bandwidth it needs over other devices on your network. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes in EAFC25. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.